Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, we'll read this text. This is the online text. As you can see the picture, this person is having some kind of problem. Pain. We can see that is back pain or pain in the neck. Rückenschmerzen or Halsschmerzen. So we read the complete text. This is very good for lesson, especially B1 or above level. So it's a reading text. Such kind of text you can also find in the playlist which is available. Okay, so now we start reading. Arbeit, Haushalt, Streit means work, household work and fight. Es gibt viele Faktoren, die zu Stress führen. There are many factors that leads to stress. Okay, that's take further towards the stress. So it means this is about the stress. Stress. Führen means to lead. Es gibt means there is or there are. It's a very good structure. I always emphasis on this structure which is accusative. So if you want to improve speaking or writing skills, this is very important video for you. Mit 5 einfachen Methoden können Sie den Alltag wieder etwas besser meistern. With 5 simple steps, 5 simple methods, you can master, you can easily improve your Alltag, your day-to-day life. So with 5 easy steps, you can improve your day-to-day life. You can master that. Meister means you can master. You can improve that. Ein expert Weisrat. Okay, an expert Weisrat. So there is a advice of an expert. Expert की advice है. Na, gestresst. Oh, stressed. It's a question. Wer im Alltag diese Frage regelmäßig mit Ja beantwortet, lebt ungesund. Whosoever give the answer of this question yes. Suppose I am asking, stressed? You say yes, I have stress, lot of stress. So it means you are living unhealthy. Du lebst ungesund. You are living unhealthy. Regelmäßig means regularly. If you say regularly, every day you say yes, I have stress, I have so much stress, work stress, at home I have stress. So means you are living unhealthy, ungesund. Denn Stress nagt auf Dauer nicht nur an unserer physischen Verfassung, sondern schadet auch dem Körper. Then means here because. So why stress is unhealthy? Because Stress nagt auf Dauer nicht nur an unserer physischen Verfassung. It affects auf Dauer means for a long duration. Dauer means here for long duration. Not only are psychological effect but also damage, harm or destroy our body. Körper means body, schaden means is harmful for or destroy, damage. So यहाँ पे structure use हुआ है nicht nur sondern auch. You are aware about this structure. Nicht nur sondern auch. So stress is unhealthy or harmful not only for our psychological health but also for our body. Die meisten wissen zwar, dass Stress alle andere als gut ist. Die meisten, the mostly all know certainly that Stress alles andere als gut ist. Stress is alles. Stress can do everything which is not good. Stress is very harmful, very unhealthy for our health. It can harm our health in many ways. Wie bringt man sich in Momenten der inneren Anspannung am besten wieder runter? Runterbringen, yeah, this is a separable verb. Runterbringen means to bring down, to low. So how can you bring down at that moment your inner Anspannung, your internal stress, your internal tension, Anspannungen? How can you bring that down? How can you bring it down? Am besten, in the best possible way. What is the best possible way to bring down again your internal Anspannung? Spannung means tension, tense. You must have heard the word entspannen means to relax, and then spannen. So here spannen or Spannung means tension, stress. So how can you bring it down in the best possible way? Wie das am besten gelingt, ist von Person zu Person unterschiedlich. How it is possible is depend upon person to person differently, unterschiedlich, differently. Gelingt means to get something, when you achieve something, when you get success, when you achieve something. So here success means if you are able to manage your stress. So it depends upon person to person, von Person zu Person, from person to person. Die einen schreien laut, andere gehen eine Runde laufen oder steigen Treppen, sagt Krake. Die einen means few people schreien laut, they speak loud when they are stressed. Andere gehen eine Runde laufen, other go for a walk, go for a running track, they just run on the track. Eine Runde laufen means take a round. Oder steigen Treppen, or others go upstairs, they climb the stairs. Sagt Krake. Krake is an expert. Huh? So the expert is saying. Der auch Trainer und Vortragsredner ist. So Krake is a trainer and Vortragsredner and a speaker, very good speaker. This Krake is an expert. So he is saying this thing. How different people manage their in different manner their stress. Daneben gibt es noch einiges mehr, was man tun kann. Daneben. Apart from that or besides that, daneben, there are also some other methods what one can do. Tun means machen. Machen. What one can do. So tips 1 is etwas Aufmerksamkeit für Nacken und Schulter. So some attention to your bones. Nacken means bones and shoulders. Means we should do some exercise. Schon allein mit denen und Strecken lässt sich viel erreichen, sagt Wetting. So Wetting is also an expert. He is saying alone with denen und Strecken lässt sich viel erreichen. One can reach a lot, one can do lot of things, one can get some very good, a lot of things. Okay, with these kind of movements. How? Das ist oft auch gut am Arbeitsplatz möglich. And these kind of exercises, these kind of solutions, or you can say something against stress can be done also at the workplace, am Arbeitsplatz. Arbeitsplatz, workplace. This is possible, möglich. Zum Beispiel, for example, how can you pay attention to your bones and shoulders? Aufstehen means get up. Die Arme nach oben strecken. Okay, to stretch your arms towards up means up your stress, up your arms. Okay, get up and pull your arms towards the up. Und sie dann locker ausbaumeln lassen. And then locker means and then stretch and then pull your arms. Während man ein paar Schritte geht. During your walk, if you are going, then just give stress on your shoulders, pull up your shoulders, don't be lazy. Sometimes people are not able to stand straight due to some pain, so you should stand straight, pull your arms. Der Vorteil solcher Übungen, Vorteil means advantage of such kind of exercise, man findet in den eigenen Körper. You find in your own body means you feel relaxed. It's a very good phrase. In den eigenen Körper means you feel relaxed. In den Moment zurück, and you in the moment, at the moment, just in a view, in a blick, you feel very relaxed if you do such kind of exercise. Und Nacken und Schulter freuen sich über etwas Aufmerksamkeit. And your bones and shoulders are happy. Happy means they are in a good shape, they are healthy. Okay, if you pay attention. Schließlich macht sie Stress auch oft in Form von Verspannung bemerkbar. So sometimes your stress can be identified in the terms of tension. If you are tensed, if person is tensed, it means he is under stress. So it can be bemerkbar, it is observable. It is observable, it can be observed, it can be seen. Hmm? So a stressed person can be seen, can be identified very quickly and very easily. So we have seen in this text so many new words. So that's all in this video. I request you to watch all my videos based on lesson or expression if you want to score very good in B1 exam. So thanks for watching. I'm open for your feedback. Give me your feedback in the comment and keep watching German class. Bye bye. Take care.